Hello besties, welcome to the world of beauty. Today we are going to create this celebrity makeup look. As you see so many celebrities on social media and their makeup look flawless and non-cakey, I'm going to show you step by step tutorial how to do makeup like celebrities. So first I'm using this umbrella moisturizer all over my face. It works as a good base for your makeup, and then I'm using Tarte concealer on my eyelid area as a eyeshadow base, and put it on all over your lid. Blend it with a small beauty sponge, and then you set it with the setting powder. I'm using Elf Hello Glow, and then just dab with the brush. I'm using this Revolution eyeshadow palette. Take this shade on the brush and then do swiping motion on your eyelid area on the outer corner, and then just do swiping motions. Then take another darker shade and then blend. Just go in back and forth motions with the eyeshadow brush, and then take another like darker shade by every time, and we're taking in darker shade one by one and doing the same back and forth or swiping motions with the brush. Take a small flat brush like this, and take a dark brown shade, and just try to make a eyeliner look on near your upper eyelid area. And then take a small flat brush like eyeliner brush, and then take a black eyeshadow shade and try to make a eyeliner on your upper eyelid on the both of the eyes. And then you try to blend the colors together with a small brush so it doesn't look harsh, and then you can take off the eyeshadow tape, and then you can see how amazing this eye look is. So pretty. And then we can use this Huda Beauty color corrector. I'm using peach shade, so wherever you have pigmentation around the mouth or under eye, you can use it, and then blend it with a small sponge. Yeah. And then I'm using L'Oreal Paris foundation in shade 6N, and just take few pumps, how much you need, and then just spread it all over your face with a flat foundation brush. It's really easy to blend when we use brush first. This is Dalpa spray serum, and we can just shake and then spray all over the face. It makes your makeup glowy, and if your foundation feels dry, you can use it in between your makeup, but not end of the makeup, because it's gonna remove all of that. And then just blend with the makeup sponge. Make sure you don't miss any spot, and then just dab. We never drag the makeup. And then we use these two blush. One is from She Glam and another one is from L'Oreal. Just use few dots of the blush, and if you feel like you need more blush, then you can apply again and blend with the makeup sponge. Just dab like every time. And then we use this Morphe bronzer stick on the nose and on your cheek, and if you feel like doing on your jawline or your forehead, then you can do it. And then just blend with the sponge. You can use a small sponge for your nose area. Just keep the bronzer wherever it is. Now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer in shade 34 medium sand. We can use under eyes, around the mouth area, wherever you want to brighten up, and in the center of your forehead, on your chin area, nose bridge. Now I am blending with the small makeup sponge on the nose area, center of the forehead, and then the under eyes. So just take your time while blending, because we don't want makeup to look cakey. We just want smooth finish, so you need to be very careful while blending. Just take your time. Now we need to set our under eyes so they don't crease. So I'm using the elf Hello Glow setting powder with this powder puff. So make sure before you put the powder under your eyes you have no creases. Just blend with the makeup sponge and then you can set with the powder puff. And then I'm using this Maybelline City bronzer. Just take a contour brush and then use this bronzer on your cheek area or your jawline, wherever you want to bronze. So for the blush I want to use this Revolution makeup palette. I'm using this shade and I think it's very natural looking shade. To enhance my waterline area, I'm using this Revolution palette again. I'm using the dark brown shade on a small eyeshadow brush. I'm using e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in deep brown shade for filling my eyebrows. So you can use small strokes wherever you feel like you need some coverage on your eyebrows. And then you can just use a small spoolie brush to brush your eyebrows. This is Rimmel London mascara and I think it was around $8 and I just like this wand of this mascara. It makes your lashes big and it doesn't make your lashes look clumpy. For my lip combo, I'm using Makeup by Mario lip liner. If you want to know the shade, you can leave the comment and then I will reply back to you. This is Makeup Revolution lip liner in shade Americano Brown. It's such a pretty shade of lip liner and it is very creamy and you're gonna love the formula. You must buy this lip liner. So I rub my lips together and I just really love the shade that it comes together. And for the gloss I'm using NYX Butter Gloss. This is Chic Glam highlighter and this is such a pretty shade and looks very natural. You can use a fan brush and use it anywhere you want glow. I'm using a Essence Nude eyeliner on my waterline to make my eyes look big a little bit because my eyes are very small. And here is the final look. Please let me know in the comments how you like this makeup tutorial and if you have any recommendations or if you want me to try another makeup look or inspo, then please let me know in the comments and I will try to make another videos for you guys. And you can subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. And also let me know like which part of the makeup you like most, like eye makeup, the lip combo or the blush. Please let me know. I'm waiting for your comments and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.